Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today's video is all about how you can raise your CPM. Ultimately, if you raise your CPM, definitely it will help you out to gain more revenue in your AdSense accounts. Last month I applied a method on one of my videos and I got amazing results. So this method I'm going to show you right now. So first thing first, I will show you the proof and then I will take you to the method. So to check the CPM, just click on analytics, and from the analytics click on revenue. Here if you scroll down, you will see a top earning content with the 28 days filter. So just click on see more. Here you will get the RPM and CPM of your video. On the bold on the top, you will see the overall revenue and the overall CPM and RPM of your videos. Since I applied this method last month, so I will select from the filter last month. Here if you see on first video, which is how to upgrade your Lenovo all-in-one, I got $7.23 on just one click. And just have a look at the CPM, it's $13,142. So if you have this amount of CPM on your videos, definitely if you get more clicks, you will get the more revenue. So for this method, you must require a RDP, or you can use subscription of Proton VPN or Surfshark VPN. So I have an RDP, so I did this method in RDP and I will show you in the RDP as well. So first thing first, I will open the RDP. So first thing, we will clear the temporary folders of Windows. So I will press Windows R, temp%, and here you will see some temporary files. We will delete them. Similarly, again we will delete prefetch files. So now we have cleared temp, prefetch and temp% folder. So now let's come to the main thing. First I will open the Google Chrome. You don't require any multi browsers, so here you have to set up the Chrome. So first thing first, go to settings, go to privacy and security, site settings, and make sure that the location, camera, microphone, notifications are disabled. Then go to the third party cookies. So here under the block third party cookies, send a do not track request with your browsing traffic is enabled. So these are the basic Google Chrome settings. Now go to the web store and install the following extensions. Search WebRTC. So add these three extensions into your browser. I will not add now because I have added already. Other thing is fake filler. Make sure to install this extension as well. And at the last is history and cache. So history and cache cleaner, smart clean. Make sure this extension is added into the Google Chrome. You have to change the settings of history and cache cleaner. So go to this button, click, and here by default history and these things are unchecked. So make sure that all these things are checked, and here on start is selected. And then if you go to the settings, under the common settings, first two will remain as it is. Below that, data to remove, only plugin data should be unchecked, rest all should be checked, and time period should be from the beginning times, and automatic data remove clear when Chrome starts. So make sure that you have the same setting in smart clean option. Next is for those who don't have RDP, so just go to the extensions and download Proton VPN. So you have to add this extension as well if you don't have RDP. So now comes the main method. Just open YouTube and log in into the Gmail account. Any Gmail account will work, but you have to log in into the RDP. So here we will take an example. So for testing purpose, we will take this video as an example. So here what you have to do, you have to skip the ads. Make sure that you will skip the skippable ads. Don't click on the URL. Once you skip the ad, make sure you watch the video for like 40 seconds or 50 seconds. After that, as you can see here, I am getting a ad best co-working spaces in US. So I will click visit site. Now comes the main part. Here you will see around 6 different kind of websites, 6 different kinds of options. So you have to click all. So you have to open all these one by one. How you have to open? Just right click and open a new tab. You can open multiple at one time. So here you will see co-working and flexible offices. There is an option called visit website. So what you have to do, just open these websites in a different tab. As you guys can see, I have opened all these sites in a different tab in my browser. So what you have to do is you have to spend some time on these website for at least 40 to 50 seconds. The minimum time you have to spend here is around 40 to 50 seconds. Here you can fill up the forms and click submit, or you can browse different tabs, different sections of this website. So now let's suppose that you have spent around 40 seconds on each website, and then you have to close the all sites. Here one thing I just want to clarify you, that make sure that you don't open the duplicate website. Sometimes in this section the sites come twice, so make sure that you are not opening the same site twice. So I will just close, and then again I go back to my videos and I will play for again like 10 to 20 seconds, and again after playing the 10 to 20 seconds I will go back to my main and I will select the second option. Here again I have to open the sites. Again you have to browse the site for like 40 to 50 seconds, each site 40 to 50 seconds, and then close. There is no risk involved in this method, so just close. And similarly you have to open all these. So once you open any of these, you will see the sites like this, so you can click visit website on each, and then you have to spend some time on the sites. Once you done with all these tabs, then go back to your video, watch the full video, give a like, give a comment, and then close, and then monitor the results after 2 days. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.